Hello teachers, welcome to another tips, review, and tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, TeacherBelle, and hit the bell notification so that you will be updated with videos like this. And so you can also share your ideas through the comment section below, because you never know if you might be helping a teacher in need. So for today, we are going to discuss the 3 favorite apps that I use for my slides presentation and how I use them in class. So how do I use them in teaching, in student work, and in teacher presentation? So this is a review, tips, and tutorial. So if you can see, the slides presentation I'm using now is Genially. So this is one of the 3 apps that I'm gonna be discussing today. So I'm gonna use this because when I present it or when I preview it, it doesn't occupy the whole screen. So I can still navigate through my tabs for today's tutorial, which that one I cannot do in Google Slide presentation. Okay, so let's start. Now, the 3 apps that I commonly use are Google Slide, Genially, and Canva. I'm pretty sure we are all familiar with Google Slide because this is what we grew up with or what we got used to in teaching. So just to go through the advantages and disadvantages of Google Slides, here are some of the things that I've come up with. So there are pre-made templates, of course. The features like the images and audio and tables, graphs, those features are easily inserted in the Google Slide presentation. It also saves in Drive, and this one is an advantage which is not present in the 2 apps. We can work offline. For Genially and Canva, we cannot. So if you are not connected to the internet, you can use the photos and all the elements of these 2. And collaboration, of course, you can share it to someone and you can work on it simultaneously. Now, the disadvantages, of course, since this is probably the first presentation app that came out, the templates are just basic and there are no photo galleries. So once you insert the photo, just like this one, for example, when you insert the photo, it automatically goes to your slide presentation. It doesn't save on your dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna show the photo gallery in Genially and Canva. And Google Slide presentation has an easy insert feature, so you can find all the elements in one corner. The layout is not too overwhelming for student and teacher use. Now, going back, what are some of the advantages of, or how can we use Google Slides in our teaching? So as for me, I do use Google Slides mainly for student use because this app is very student friendly. They can never go wrong or they don't have to figure it out. So you can use it for student journal, of course for student owned presentation, and I usually use this for science projects. So these are some of the templates that I have created for Google Slides. So when you create your own Google Slide, it comes with just basic templates. Here you go, as you can see on this side. But if you want some bright and neon and interactive templates, you can watch my video. I have a video on how to download from slidesmania.com if you still want to use the Google Slide presentation. Okay, but if you don't want, you can use the other 2 apps. Okay, now let's go back to the comparison. Okay, so for Genially, okay, Genially has bright templates. They really are catchy to the eyes. It has a photo gallery And this is something that's not present on the two apps. It has a feature of inserting an interactive photo. I'm gonna show that to you later. You can also create games through Genially because it has pre-made templates, and it does also come with collaboration features, so you can also share it with someone and you can work on it simultaneously. However, that person need to have a Genially account. And this one also is audio recording. So on your presentation, instead of using another app, Genially comes with audio recording feature. I'm going to show that later. Now, here are the disadvantages. Some of the templates come, or you can use it when you have your premium account. Okay, the layout is kind of complex for student use. For teachers, you still have to figure it out. And you can work on this one online, as I have said earlier. And it is downloadable. You can download your video presentations if you have your premium account. So let's check out Genially and how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so if you can see, these are already the pre-made templates. It's very colorful. It's catchy to the eyes. Now let's see the interactive photo I was talking about earlier. So here you go. So for gamification, if you create games, it also comes with pre-made templates for different kinds of quizzes. So look at that one. It's pre-made. Okay. Going back, this is the interactive image. By the way, you can also create presentations and download it as a video presentation. I'm going to show an example later. Now, this is the interactive image. Okay. So if you insert an image, you can use the image as a background. It won't move unlike in Google Slide presentation. Okay, and you can insert photos, videos, information, and locations and search engines on the photo itself. So for example, the video, here's an example of it being inserted on the image. Okay, can also put information. There you go. Okay, so the features are all on this corner. If you are new to this app, to this website, it's quite hard to navigate through the features. And this is where you can insert the audio. So insert, and there you go, here. You can insert your own audio recording on your slide presentation. So let's try to preview it. So I used this during our EOG presentation where I collected videos from our staff, from all the teachers and staff, and put it on one. Put it on Genially for as a slide presentation. What else did we miss here? Okay, now let's go to Canva. Okay, Canva also, just like Genially, it also has bright templates, and this can serve as an app for all your graphics needs. We'll show that later. It also has a photo gallery. Oh, we forgot the photo gallery in Genially. Let me just show you. Okay, so once you insert an image, okay, it saves on your dashboard. So if you want to put it again on one of the slides, you can just drag it from here. Unlike in Google Drive, where it just stays on the presentation or the slide itself. Okay. Now, what else? It is downloadable. You don't have to have your premium account. It can be downloaded. it also has a collaboration feature, but that individual has to have his Canva account. Okay, now the disadvantages, it works online and Canva is more complicated, just like Genially. So it's mostly for teachers use. Okay, now let's check out Canva's layout. Okay, so there you go. This is your dashboard. You can see here that you can make presentations. You can also have you can also create infographics for your social media accounts, for video presentations, even for printouts, for labels, and for websites. Okay, now here are some of the examples. I mostly use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails, but for school use, I mostly use this for video presentation. So here's an example. Now, on the side, just like Genially, it also has the features on this side. And for the images, you can also have a photo gallery of all your images, so you don't have to upload it again. And again, you can reuse your photos. Now, here is an example of the video presentation I made. Let's check it out. Now, what do I use the Genially and Canva for? So for Genially, I mostly use it for interactive teacher presentation, for games, for interactive photos, for quizzes. And I commonly use this for my video presentations because it comes with easy templates or pre-made templates, so I don't have to put elements using video editors. Okay. For Canva, okay, again, it is also for interactive teacher presentation, for video presentation, and again for infographics use for both teacher and older students. I suggest that you use Canva for Genially and Canva for older students because the layout and the navigation features are not quite self explanatory. So thank you very much for watching, and again, if you do have some ideas that you want to share with regard to our video for today, please do drop them below in the comment section. You never know if someone is also in need or if another teacher has the same question as you. So please do subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day.